Temperature is the measure of how hot or cold something is. But from a chemistry perspective, what are we really saying? Temperature is the measurement of the direction of the flow of heat. Now the SI unit for temperature is the Kelvin, represented by the letter K. Then everyone else is more familiar with the degrees Fahrenheit if you live in the United States and a few other select areas in the world, but the remainder of the world uses the degrees Celsius scale. Here you can make a comparison between the three temperature scales. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. On the Fahrenheit scale, that would be 32 degrees Fahrenheit, but on the Kelvin scale, that would be 273.15. Water boils and goes from the liquid phase to the gas phase at 100 degrees Celsius. If you'll notice by comparison, on the degrees Fahrenheit scale, it's 212. On the Kelvin scale, it's 373.15.